This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The ISM non-manufacturing index fell to 37.3% from 44.4 in October. The decline was broad-based, with 17 out of 18 industries reported contraction. The decline was larger than anticipated. Economists were looking for the index to fall to 42.7%. Labor said that the productivity of U.S. workers was slightly stronger in the third quarter than previously reported. Productivity in non-farm businesses increased at an annual rate of 1.3% in the quarter, not 1.1%, and unit labor costs rose 2.8%, not 3.6%. According to the ADP National Employment Index, the U.S. private sector shed 250,000 jobs in November. That's the biggest job loss in 7 years. The loss was, though, in line with analysts' expectations. Led by massive cuts at Citigroup and other banks, major U.S. corporations announced almost 182,000 layoffs in November. That's the highest total in nearly 7 years. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association's weekly survey, mortgage applications filed last week rose a seasonally adjusted 112% from the previous week. And the American Petroleum Institute reported that U.S. crude inventories fell by 2.3 million barrels in the week ended November 28th. Distillate stocks rose by 3.1 million barrels in the same period, while gasoline stocks dropped by 416,000. Fritz Henderson, President, Chief Operating Officer of General Motors, said that bankruptcy is not a viable option as the United Auto Workers braced for a decision on contract concessions to the endangered Big Three. Lockheed Martin has been awarded a $1.1 billion U.S. contract to build the country's next generation of weather satellites, beating out Boeing and Northrop Grumman in a three-way race. Scheduled economic reports on Thursday include the initial jobless claims report and the October factory orders report. Earnings today, Del Monte reporting its net income climbing 95% to $50.4 million, or 25 cents a share. Analysts expected a more modest profit of 12 cents. Infineon Technologies said it lost 763 million euros. That's equivalent to 968 million US dollars in the fourth quarter. That compared with 280 million euro loss in the year earlier period. And InterDigital said it expects fourth quarter revenue to range from $57 to $60 million. That is above analyst expectations. Earnings reports on Thursday include Toll Brothers, Gerber Scientific, Novell, Joseph A. Bank Closures, the Smithfield Foods, Jackson Hewitt Tax Services, Guess, Lane Christensen, Movado, and Williams-Sonoma, just to name a few. Some of the stocks in the news today included Marvell Technology reporting third quarter net income of $71 million, or 11 cents a share. Constellation Brands cut its full-year earnings estimate to a range of 63 to 71 cents a share because of taxes on certain gains. Bed Bath & Beyond estimates third quarter earnings of 31 to 35 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 42 cents a share. And that is the Market Wrap on this Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.